Hi, Pavan.
Yeah, ma'am. Morning.
Myself, Savitri from Quality Department. Today, I'm going to take a feedback video from your side. So, first of all, Pavan, congratulations for your placement.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, Pavan, can you introduce yourself, like college name, where are you from?
Myself, Pavan Kumar from Andhra Pradesh, Anandapur. Completed my BE in Civil Engineering from Sarjapura BTI College, Bangalore.
So, how do you know about CMTI?
My friends told me that CMT is best platform for internship and to place anywhere.
So, in CMTI, which course you have taken? So, course.
Yeah, ma'am. I take interior designing management.
In that course, what you learn?
Yeah, I learned about the basic interior, like materials, core materials, units, standard measurements, and different type of kitchens and everything, ma'am.
Okay, what are the softwares you have learned?
Yeah, I learned like a SketchUp, AutoCAD, V-Ray.
Have you used our CMTI app?
Yeah, ma'am. I used CMT. It is very
How
best.
it useful to crack the interview?
Like test, mock test, and everything will be there, ma'am, in CMT app. And I get study materials also available in CMT app. It is very very helpful.
How was the coordinated supports and trainer support towards you?
Yeah, ma'am. Coordinators and trainers support me very well to reach my job. Bindu sir told me inside how the interior will be going on and the pricings and everything he told. Vishal sir told the standard dimensions and cut list, everything Vishal sir told.
So, have you visited the various site and showroom visit, right?
Yeah, ma'am. I visited Homeland, IBO.
Which are the site visit you have visited?
Like Aristo factory went, ma'am. Like site visit, that is the big one. Studios means like Homeland and Pepperfry and everything.
Okay, in site visit, showroom visit, what and all topic you have learned?
In site visits, we get the practical knowledge regarding to the materials, like core materials and mini fixtures, hardwares and everything.
So, okay, Pavan, which profile you have selected?
I got selected like a project manager in Glambo.
Are you happy with that profile?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm very happy.
Pavan, finally, what you want to tell about your seniors and juniors who want to join the CMTI?
I will suggest CMTA is the best platform for regarding to any job opportunities and internship they need to do means like I will refer CMTA that coordinators and ma'am, Deepa ma'am, Shweta ma'am and Ashok sir. I will refer my friends and my juniors regarding to CMTA.
So thank you for your feedback. Once again, congratulations for your placement. Have a bright future.
Thank you.